Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You guys can call me Smooth, and today is the day the Lord has made. What's up, everyone? Markets are ripping right now. I'm not exactly sure what is happening. We don't have any scheduled news. We might have some Trump news. Who knows? Let me see if I can check Financial Juice real quick and see what is going on. If anybody knows, drop it in the chat. Breaking U.S. Treasury Department announces increased size of nominal long end. Nominal long end? What the hell is that? U.S. Treasury current size of $2 billion per operation will be at least $4 billion per operation. So I'm more confused now than before. I am more confused now. Department announces increased sizes of nominal long end. That sounds like something dirty. I don't know. Anybody know what a long end is? I don't know. I have no clue. All right, well, we'll figure it out. Maybe we'll get Claude or Grok to tell us what we are experiencing right now. Good morning, JP. What is going on? Yeah, this is quite confusing. Not really sure what is going on. Nominal long end. I need a good Paul joke here with the nominal long end. All right, let me just check on something real quick. All right, yeah, I kind of missed it too. I have a limit order in right now, but we'll see what's going on. We'll see what is going on. Nominal long end. That's pretty funny. Okay. Yeah, so we do have a MOAS target right now, 29,677. Wish I would have got long as soon as that happened, but I just saw it just a moment ago. What's going on, Joey? What's up? Songs by Tawana. How you doing? And we got Nostradamus in the house. And yeah, I think that's about it for now. We got probably a couple of people joining us soon. Let's take a look at what does this mean? What does nominal end mean? Can somebody explain to us? Well, that's Grok. Or maybe Claude. Yeah, let's ask Grok. All right, so with this news that we got this massive pump on the indices and a dump on oil and the dollar. In simple terms, the U.S. government is doubling or more how much of its older long-term bonds it can buy back in each of the certain regular operations. Here's the plain English breakdown. The U.S. Treasury regularly holds liquidity support buybacks. In these, it buys back some of its older off-the-run bonds, specifically longer-term ones that mature in roughly 10 to 30 years from investors and banks. These buybacks make it easier for people to sell their older bonds if they want to, which helps the overall market for U.S. government debt run more smoothly, better liquidity. Until now, each of these operations for the longer bonds was capped at a maximum of $2 billion, starting September 9th and lasting at least through early November 2026. That cap rises to at least $4 billion per operation. Now, who's buying these back? Is it the government or the Fed? Now, who's buying these back? Because the government's broke. I mean, what money do they have? Are they borrowing money from the Fed to buy these back? That sounds like quantitative easing to me. Why are they doing this? There's a strong demand for investors to sell their older long-term bonds back to the... This is a bailout. This is a bailout for banks that are holding these older bonds that are now... Oh, man, this is a bailout. That the Treasury, a good offer is to keep in and buying more, and the Treasury is giving back the extra support and part of the bond. What this is not the Federal Reserve printing money. Yes, it is. Or doing quantitative easing. Yes, it is. It also doesn't change how new debt the government is issuing overall, and it doesn't reduce the total amount of government debt outstanding. They're mainly swapping older bonds for cash or managing the mix of outstanding securities. If you paid off your mortgage, where are you going to get that money from if you're broke? You're going to borrow the money. Right? Does that make any sense? In short, the Treasury is stepping up its regular bond buyback program for longer maturity bonds to help the markets more liquidity and orderly, and technical market support the move. Okay. Make a case for this being QE and Fed printing and bank bailouts. All right, let's see. Yeah, this is quite the interesting situation here. Make a case for this being QE, Fed printing, and bank bailouts. Here's the case. Number one, it acts like quantitative easing in the market impact. The classic Fed QE buys long-term treasuries to push prices up, yields down, and injects liquidity into the system. Treasury is now committing to buy at least twice as much as of the exact same stuff. Older, off the run, 10 to 30-year nominal coupons, every operations. By soaking up these bonds, it supports their prices and compresses the liquidity premium. That makes older issues trade cheaper than the new ones. That eases financial conditions in long end and the curve the same way QE does. Dealers and investors who sell get cash or cash equivalent settlement. That cash can recirculate into the other assets, stocks, credit, classic QE portfolio rebalancing channel. Yeah, it involves money creation, definitely does. And number three, it functions as a bank dealer bailout. It is. It's all the three things I just mentioned. Oh, I mean, I don't care. What is it going to do to me? Besides, pump my bags, baby. No, I'm not holding too much stocks right now, but I hope it pumps my bags. Pump my bags, baby. All right, we'll see. Yeah, this pump is really crazy right now, Joey. It is pumping. Pumpy dumpy. The pump is a little bit on the spectrum, Joey. Nostradamus said that they didn't see any reason for a downside in last night's stream. Shout out to Rye Dog. Paul says mRNA, 96%, Merck and Moderna's personalized mRNA cancer vaccines combined with Keytruda met the main goal in phase 3 trials of more than 1,100 high-risk melanoma patients. Okay, hopefully that's good. I'm going to blow up your mind. It's too early. Yeah, basically it's quantitative easing. Good for stocks, bad for the dollar. Significantly extending the time patients remain cancer-free and reducing the risk for distant spread. That's great. That's really good, Paul. Good thing that science is doing something positive here. Trump delayed the new 50% tariffs in Canada for at least 3 days. Okay. What's up, Shadow Fights? Turn, brother? I don't know what that means. Anthropic bought in 11.5 billion last quarter, up 14x year over year. Over what? They bought mRNA. Oh, brought in. I thought you said bought in. Brought in 11. Okay, that's crazy. SK Hynix stock jumped 28.68 billion treasury buybacks plan, representing about 3.3% of shares outstanding. Ex-Fauci advisor pleads guilty to plotting to conceal COVID-19 research records during pandemic. Yo, this thing is just going. It's not stopping. I have a limit order in, but that limit order might as well just forget about it. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen, right? Ain't happening, right? All right, this pump is a little bit outrageous right now. We did start the pump here at around 566, and she is already at 730, 728. We'll check in with Johnny and see if he's doing all right through this move. See how he's doing with his move. This move is quite on the spectrum here. Yeah, this caught him off guard. Yeah, last trade he took was this morning at 8:30, and that was a long, 2 longs, and he took both of them. Those were good. Those were both winners. Well, actually, I'm looking at the. Okay, I'm looking at that. Okay, let's look at this one. Yeah, he took some longs this morning on this account too. Ooh, that's an ouchie. That's a Fauci ouchie. Okay. All right, this thing is going, guys. It is going. It sure is going. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Let's see if we get a trendy market today. Perhaps. Let's see what the rest of the market's doing on this news. This bailout that we got today. This is a bailout. Don't you get it? Don't you get it twisted? ZZ Top drummer Frank Beard dies at 77. Oh, shout out to him. Who's Johnny? Johnny's an automated trading bot that I have. Mortgage applications dip 0.4% as purchase demands fall. Smooth, how come you don't trade with the missus? She's dropping off the girls. Since the girl started school, her responsibilities kicked in big time. A lot of things we have to get done throughout the day for them. But I think she'll be with us today. I don't think she's that busy today. Okay, we do have a pullback coming in here. We do have a pullback coming in. See, maybe we can get a buy-in somewhere. We'll see if we can find something here. This is wild. This move here this morning is wild. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe we're just gonna have a straight short squeeze, ripper to the upside. Let's look at the 30-minute and see, or maybe the 4-hour. Where the 4-hour did look bullish. Yeah, 4-hour did look really good. This candle right here on the 4-hour, it swept the low, and then closed above the last candle and swept the high too. It's a big engulfing candle basically. And this one taking off the way it is, it looks like signaling that we're going to continue the uptrend. So longs only today. Longs only today more than likely. Look at this. Big ripper to the downside. Big engulfer. Big nice candle to the upside here right now we're getting. And it's going to close massively bullish if we can, in the next 1 hour, if we can stay up on these high 700s. It's going to close very bullish. That's the 4-hour. Let's take a quick look at the daily. We did show some strength here on the daily, right around the 400s, and we got real close to that 400 level. For it to pop right now is definitely a possibility. This right here is strength. When you have a buyer absorption candle like this, showing that buyers are absorbing this level, came back in here and buyers are still absorbing, and it looks like we are pushing up higher still. Let's take a quick look at the 30. Yeah, big anomaly of a candle there. Properly manipulated the downside here twice. Now it looks like they want to go. Yeah, this level 540 is very important. I would say this level 570 to 540 is a target. I'd say I would definitely start looking for opportunities around there. Definitely look for buys around there. Let's take a quick look at the 30 minutes. He works, you can have some resistance. Next level of resistance I see here for this move would probably be up here, 29,870. So I'd watch this zone here. This whole zone. Let's pull an anchored VWAP too. Let's drop an anchored VWAP on here since it looks like it does want to make a reversal. Anchored VWAP will hang out with us. And let's do a let's pull a volume profile. Okay, majority of the volume here up to our target is down here at the 580s, 570s. So the majority of our volume is right around this area. And yeah, and we're above it right now. We're above it. We're above the value area high as well. So this looks very strong. Only issue I have here is that I'm charting this all out on the M and Q. So let's go to the NQ. Why am I on the M and Q? I have no idea. Somebody tell me. I have no idea why I'm on the M and Q. Yeah, M and Q is a different animal, different volume altogether. All right, let's do that again. Sorry, I don't know why this paper trade's on here. All right, let's do that again. Let's drop that. Let's drop that anchored VWAP again. Let's mark out the volume profile. Well, actually, let's mark out that level again that we were looking at. Yeah, 680. I would say this level right there. Volume profile from that level to now shows us being well above that level right now, the value area high. Very bullish. And let's go drop back down to the 5 minute. That 5 minute, very important target, I think could hold a lot of weight, is that this area right here, which is, we called this out earlier on the M and Q, which is right here, 575 is the point of control, and it's that same area that I talked about before. So we could have a nice move back down into this. It's very close to the VWAP too. VWAP is right around here. We have the anchored VWAP now in yellow trailing it as well. All right, so we've got a couple things to keep our eye on around here. We just hit the profit target there on the MOAS, 5 minute MOAS. If you guys don't know what a MOAS is, it's the mother of all signals right here. It popped up here this morning at 3:50 a.m. Caught a quick little dip down in here, and then, well, there you go. I don't know. Maybe the MOAS can predict the future, but it gave that signal at 3:50 a.m. And history has been fulfilled, or I'm sorry, the prophecy has been fulfilled right here at 8:50. So it works, guys. If you guys haven't checked out the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator yet, all you have to do is go over to our website. Check out the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator page, or it's pinned in the chat, by the way. Hit that link, and you can get the volume toolkit for free, completely free, which is this right here, completely free. All of this great stuff you get right there. Beautiful levels, ATRs, you got everything you ever want. And if you want to check out the order flow simplified or the ultimate momentum signals, it's just $7 for 7 days. If you want to keep using it after that, you can pick a plan. It's very inexpensive. And we also have, while you're there, you can check out the Profit Matrix. Profit Matrix right now, guys, is going nuts for this Legends 50K account. All you got to do is put the 50K Elite, and you can see for yourself, guys. Right now, it is $49, but that's only going to last you till the 21st. Got a couple of days left on that, so take advantage of that. We also got some great deals with the other prop firms that we do affiliate with. All you got to do is scroll over and make sure you don't miss any of them. Right there, we have about 7, I think, right now. And Funded Next, Funded Seat, Lucid, Tradeify, Trade Day, and Apex, they all have some great deals right now, so check them out. And just copy the coupon code right there. Each one has its coupon code. Copy it and just head on over to the website, and you can buy any prop firm you want there with a massive discount. Circle back here to the NQ, back to the 1 minute, see if we can find something to sink our teeth into. Right now, we're just getting a bit of a sideways market right now, and a huge green wave here on the momentum MV wave. You see that, guys? Huge green wave. We might just see a big flush here on the open, but I would love to buy around this area here, 580. We may not get it though. It's too much of an obvious level. $200 points in 20 minutes in pre-market. Yeah, that's pretty nuts. That is pretty nuts. You told slots, you told the night trader you were gonna buy in at 30K. It was gonna go back to 30K and buy long. Okay, good for you. Good for you. Good call. 4 units. So what is a unit? Are you trading minis or micros? Good morning. By the way, Joey said hello, and someone else asked if you're gonna be trading. Joey, she says you can die. Oh, I think she said hi. Never mind. Where's Drewski with the orb? I haven't seen Drewski in going on 6 months, man. I don't know what happened to Drewski. I hope he's okay. Marvell expanded its custom silicon partnership with Google and issued Google a large warrant tied to the deal. Thanks, Paul. Appreciate that. This was viewed as a strong vote of confidence in Marvell's custom AI silicon business and helped lift semiconductors, which in turn pushed ES, especially the NQ, higher this morning. Wow, everything happened at once then, huh? I think that news was orchestrated. The MOAS predicts the future? Yeah, it does, man. Crazy, right? Unbelievable. MOAS never lied to me, says Acorn. Yeah, the drop's going to be nasty, Joey, for sure. Juice could hit 1 million and retire with his orb strategy? Yeah. 4 minis, nice, man. 4 minis, that's a heck of a lot of money. By the way, what's your balance on your account? Did you say something? I can't hear you.
Yeah, I said it.
Oh. All right, we got some resistance right now building up, and I will keep my eye on it right here, guys. Watch this level right there for possible short entry at 732. I would love to go long here at the 7.
It's 51.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Thought you were better off. You're in a trade? You're in a trade right now? Short or long?
Short.
What's your target?
650.
650? Okay. You're in a 15 second? All right, well, you never mind. That's a dumb question. Good morning, Raphael. How's it going, man? Who's Smooth talking to? Do you want the camera on? No? The missus is in the background here. She's going to be trading in just a moment. She says no camera today. She didn't get a chance to doll herself up. All right, guys, we are looking at a possible drop here on the open. I would keep my eyes open for 574 here, and I would keep my eyes open for rejection here at 730. I do have a limit order open at 730, and I do have a I don't have a limit order set at 575 yet, but I will once it gets closer to there. We will be doing a 50K Eval giveaway today, guys. If you did win one yesterday, just be patient because I am waiting for the evals to come in. I did request them, and I'm waiting for them to come in. Should have it today. She doesn't like you guys anymore? No, she actually does. She actually likes you guys a lot. Mrs. Smooth definitely loves you guys. She has a special place in her heart for you guys. Especially Joey the Muskrat. Muskrat Joey. You guys had to be there. You guys had to be there. We do have a new giveaway strategy, guys. Our giveaway strategy is not going to be conducted right here on the stream. It's going to be right on the stream. If I can get it to work. We'll see if I can get it to work. Let me see how it works again. Let's see if I can get it to work. Trying to figure it out here, guys. Give me a moment. Start giveaway. Okay. Let's see if I can get rid of this and add it again. Okay. All right, it's gonna be there. Okay, cool. It'll be there once we get the giveaway going. All right, I think I got it working now. Okay, cool. All right, let's go back to the charts here, see if we can find ourselves a... It looks like we might get a short filled here. We might get a short filled. It might be a bad idea, though. Can't you see it's long, Smooth? Can't you see it's long? Let's see if we get a pullback for the long. I would take a long or a short. Let's see what we get here. Super strong move. Yeah, this is gonna be a long and strong. What's up, Sam B? Good morning. It's going to be fun once we get to trade NVIDIA options. Yeah, imagine that. That's going to be a crazy market. The pre-market's being disrespectful? A little bit. Flag it up, says Nostradamus. It could end up being a flag. Joey, did you give us your levels for today? I would like to see your levels. My spider senses are tingling, says Joey. Patience, says Sam B. Going to see some more margin. Going to see some more margin calls. Yeah, we could. We could see some margin calls here. All right. I'd like to see a little bit of a short off of this. Maybe we could see. This would be fun to watch. All right. Let's see if we get a dipper. Yeah, we might just rip until the open. All right, so we do have an end. We are in right now. Let's see if we can get a pullback into this. I'd like to see a pullback into this 705. I'll take off some of the risk. I don't want that much risk on this. If we go above that, then I want to be out. I prefer the longs than the shorts, but we'll see. Maybe we get a quick pullback. This thing is super pumpy right now. This may just be a recipe for disaster. Sellers are not coming in here with too much aggression. ATR right now is 20 in the pre-market. We got about 17 minutes till the open. I'd love to see some huge volatility today. Hopefully we will. Sent to the Discord. What channel, Joey? What channel did you post it in? Oh, you DM'd it, dude? That's beautiful levels. Where's your chart at? Okay, you've got these. We're above these. We're above all these levels. You have a level at 30.84 and 29.871. Where are we right now? 29.871. 29.665. Okay. Sorry, I'm not really showing your chart right now. Yeah, so you've got a level up at previous week's value area high at 84, previous week's POC 871. I'm gonna put them on the chart. Joey's lines 871. As per Joey. Oh, look at that. I have a level up there too. Yeah, I have a level there too. Go ahead and put yours too. Joey, what was that? Your POC from when? POC from previous week. Okay. And you've got another one at previous week's value area high at 84. Oh, look at that. I had a TP at 81. Cool. Looks like we're getting pretty close to our TP on that move. Let's see if we can get there. Come on, baby. Don't be so rude. Go ahead and take the risk off that trade because, you know, you like to be risk-free at 93. We like to be risk-free in 93. Joey, our levels are very much in sync. That's why we share levels. I labeled them Joey crack levels. Okay, okay. Thanks, man. Good morning, Patty. How are you? I'm looking for a dump down to those lower levels for long, says Joey. We just got bottom ticked on that move right there. And I'm pretty sure it's going to rip 500 points now to the upside, guys. So get ready. Get ready. We just got bottom ticked. It is time to rip it now. We just keep getting bottom ticked. Over and over again, man. Over and over. It just never ceases to amaze me how the bottom ticking and the top ticking happens to me. I can give you a free eval? Yes, I can. I can give it to you. All you got to do is get all your friends to come in here and give us 100 likes, and then win. Get chosen by the algorithm, and you can have a free eval. All right, let's see if we can dump her down just a little bit more. Come on, baby. 705. VWAP's all the way down there by 574. Maybe that's going to make a run at the open down to 574. And we could see this level here become a nice area for a bounce. Dump it. Dump it, NQ. Dump 705. Like kudo. Shout out to you for joining us over on Kick. FOMC minutes, Fed held at 350 to 3.75 in July with 3 descents for a hike. Focus on widely hawkish views were shared softer July CPI, weekly payroll since, then strengthening case for patience. Yeah, which means they don't want to raise rates no matter what happens. Wait till 9:30 and then dump it? Probably. It sucks right here because it looks like they're just going to come right back up. Yeah, my level right here was very, very close to getting hit, and I'm just gonna get bottom ticked once again here, more than likely. I just love getting bottom ticked. I love it. It's my favorite thing. It's my favorite thing. First thing in the morning, I just get bottom ticked. Or top ticked. It's not really it doesn't really care what direction. As long as I'm in it, it bottom ticks me or top ticks me. It really does not care. Part of trading, don't let it bother me. Oh, I'm beyond letting it bother me. I'm ready to break my screens. If it doesn't give me my TP, I'm breaking every monitor I have in this house and in my neighbor's house. Nothing brings you joy like your stop getting hit. What are you trying to fool the market into giving you what you don't want? Oh, this thing is retarded now. All right, I'm just taking it off. I'm taking everything off. Watch it dump now. It's going to dump 700 points. Yeah, I'm just taking it off. What's up, Greg? Good morning. I'm glad we took the $20 hairs because that was complete nonsense right there. That was complete nonsensical madness. I'll take the long. Stop. I'll take the TP up here. What do we got? Like 9 minutes to the open? My cat is so cute. I'm gonna send him off topic in Discord. You do that, Joey. Don't forget a picture of your muskrat too. We got a green diamond here on the 1 minute. This green diamond you can get for free if you get the free indicator. What's my bias? My bias is just follow the trend. Look at the green line. Look at this green wave. Whatever you see, whatever kind of wave here you see on my chart, that'll probably be my bias. We also have another thing you can look at, which is the triple Indy indicator up here. It tells you the bias across the 15-second to 8-minute and the 15-minute. You can change this to whatever time frames you want, but right now mostly green. Everything from the 15-second all the way up to the 8-minute right now is green, and the 15-minute looks like it wants to change pretty quickly, pretty soon. So that is my bias currently. Just follow the triple Indy. It'll never just steer you wrong. Unless you're looking very short term. Very short term, anything can happen. Our bias is to make money. Yeah. Sam B's bias is see green, take green. See money, take money. Whenever you have a long-term bias, it sometimes bites you in the butt. So what I'm showing you guys, what I mean by that is this morning I was showing you guys the 4 hour, and the 4 hour is very bullish. But again, doesn't mean we couldn't have a nasty move down here to this level first, this level down here at 575, and then continue to rocket higher. So even though your bias may be correct, the short-term bias could get you completely devastated, you know, it really hurt you. Just be careful with that. We got about 5 minutes here to the open, 5 minutes and change. Yeah, you got to play both sides. You got to be careful because anything could happen. You have your important levels and see how price reacts around those levels. All right, let's see if we can get a pumperoo here up to the 750s. I'll take it at 749 because I don't trust that 750 round number, you know, psychological. People get real psycho. Oh, come on. Knock it off. Knew that was going to happen. We were right there. I got bottom ticked and top ticked today. Congratulations. Better luck next time. Top tick, bottom ticked, all in the same session. In the same 5 minute time span. Hilarious. That is just too funny. Top ticked and bottom ticked. Yes, very funny, very funny. Laugh at my expense. Go right ahead. Go right ahead and laugh at me. Laugh all you want. Don't worry, it'll still come back for my stop. You ain't getting my stop anymore. You ain't getting me. Oh, he's gonna top tick me again. Yay. Oh, that's hilarious. That is just too funny. Can't make this stuff up, guys. You really can't. You cannot make this stuff up. Market opens up in 4 minutes, and we have just gotten 2 out of 2 top tick, 2 out of 2 bottom top ticks already for the day. So very, very productive day so far. Triple ticked? Yeah, I'm just getting ticked all over the place here. I'm just getting ticked off. Let me get the dog ready to laugh at me. Yes, yes, yes. Laugh all you want, Chinese dog. We'll see who laughs last. This is too funny. This is too funny. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I give up. I'm done trading, guys. I am done scalping, but with minis, that is. Micros, I'm scalping because I really can't get hurt. But we are taking some big trades today. We are taking some big trades. I am using micros again. The minis are just way too much size for a 2K account for me. It's a Chinese dog. Well, Joey identified its breed. China. Yeah, I can't believe it. We got triple ticked on that. Bottom ticked on this one. Triple top ticked on that one. It's just too funny. It is just too funny. Market opens up here in just 1 minute and change. I don't know, man. Maybe I did something to someone and I hurt someone. I got some bad juju on me, but it's just a reoccurring theme here. Reoccurring theme. Got resistance building up there. We got some support building up here. Let's watch these levels here. God gave us hardest battles to the strong soldiers. Oh man, he must think I'm very strong then. He must think I'm the strongest of the strong. You got a sell limit in place already, Sambi, at 760? You're not going to wait for the market to just show you its hand first? That's pretty ballsy. Yeah, this looks like it's going to be pretty dumpy. All right, market opens up here in 20 seconds. Are you guys ready for this? You guys aren't ready. Get ready, guys. Get ready. Now, if we dump down underneath this 680s, it's going to be a wrapper. All right, market's open. Be careful. Be very careful. Oh, she's dumping down, man. She is dumping pretty hard here. There she goes. Breaking under our breaking under the 690 level, and she's gonna make a straight beeline for 574 probably here. Look at this move. You thought he was dead in the earthquake, the Chinese dog? No, the Chinese dog's very resilient. He's very resilient. He can survive any catastrophe. I thought the Chinese dog had overdosed on Quaaludes back in the 80s, but he's still kicking. He was hanging out with Spuds McKenzie, and they were getting into some trouble back in the 80s, but the Chinese dog seemed to make his way. He pulled through, man. He pulled through. He went to the Betty Ford clinic and he got himself cleaned up. Come on, baby. Let's see if we could dump from the 740s. I'd like to see a dump from the 740s. What's up, Abel? Nasdaq is going to 23 hours a day. Yeah, it might do that. They got to get approval first. We're getting pretty pumpy. So you might go back up to 740. He needs 9 earthquakes. Yeah, he's not a cat. That's only cats need 9 earthquakes. Let's see if the support gets held here at 690. I think this is going to be good here. I'm going to short this at 740. I'm going to put the stop here. I think we can go up to 730 something. Let's see. Looks pretty good. So we got some support here up to the 730s. Could be wrong though. Sellers could come in here and dump this thing hard. But we got some liquidity sitting up here in the 730s. Didn't top tick me that time. We are pushing through here pretty strong. See if we can get through that white line there, or if that's just going to be its reversal point. Duck shooting game? Yeah, duck shooting game for sure. He made it out. He made it by the skin of his teeth through that video game and just to get into narcotics. Very dangerous. My idea is correct for the downside pop up. Yeah, there is a good chance we could reverse here. You want a 760 sell, Samby? Yeah, I think we can reverse from this level here at the 736. That's why I have it up there. We'll see who's actually in charge here. The market is a little uncertain right now what direction they want to take. They're just grabbing a whole bunch of liquidity first. They hold this level at 686. This thing could rip higher. I'd be willing to go long again if they do hold it higher. If they can't, then obviously a short is better. Yeah, looking kind of heavy. To be quite honest, it looks pretty heavy. I might want to enter short. If I can. Yeah, looks like they're gonna dump this thing. I'm gonna wait here. Looks like we do have some resistance at it, sitting at 710. Maybe we take a 710 short. I have to take that to 710 short and dump it. Yeah, they're dumping this thing. They're about to hit the anchored VWAP here soon. 732 could have a pullback. Could be some more support down there. Our idea of this thing dumping back down is pretty good. We could have a pop here at the anchored VWAP. 630 is the anchored VWAP. I'd like to short it from 711, 710. How are you making out on your short? Did it play out?
No.
No? Damn, this thing's just going. I like the 576 level. I'd love to see it pop up first, though. That 576 level is a great level right there. You gonna try along? Nice, Joey. Right off the anchored VWAP. Selling off still. Damn. All right, I think we could hold, possibly pop back up to 711. I would be interested in taking a long up to it, but I think it's a little risky. That trap long signal up here, that TL, beautiful signal. Beautiful signal, look at that. You had the candle to back it up here too. This trap short signal here wasn't as strong, but this one here was very strong. Come on, baby. Good morning, first stop. Are we getting spammed in the Discord right now? I hate these spammers on Discord, man. They're getting on my nerves already. Joey, good job yesterday taking care of all those spammers yesterday in Discord. We are getting hammered on Discord right now. They're smart because they wait for the New York Open to start spamming. This thing went all the way down without me. I'm so pissed. What are you doing there? They just spam affiliate links or something? They're always spamming some kind of shilling, some kind of coin, or some kind of scammer on Telegram, or there's always something they're scamming or spamming. It's always something. It's Tori's feet pics, whatever, like different things. All right, we hit VWAP. We're at VWAP now. And now we're going to 574 in just a moment. That level I have outlined right here. This is the level I was shooting for, but I was waiting for that reversal back up to get in this short, and it just went without me. And it just went without me. Whatever. Yeah, this level here looks decent for a long 573s. Let's see how she reacts off of it, though. Let's see how she reacts. It'd be nice to see it come all the way back up to 710. Yes, they do, Mo. Can you believe it? You're joining the Discord. You just had the ban one. Yeah, Joey, they're non-stop in there. Armana says he's setting up a new filter that when people join, they have to do a couple more things in order for to kind of get them out of there. Yeah, the buying's probably going to start here. We did hit point of control there. We did hit point of control. I really would like to buy this. I just want to see how she reacts first. I would like to see a move back up. We just hit the daily open. Daily open's been hit now at 570. And we have the value area low at 540. Let's see if it continues. thing is a dumpathon now. We had a pumpathon earlier, and now we have a dumpathon. Now we just chop the VWAP for a little while. A lot of people are probably expecting a move right back up on this, so be careful about that too. They may push this down further than we all imagine. $11 points, Paul? Nice, man. I'm gonna start building a position here, I think. I like 628 for the first, so limit 1 right there. Maybe we could move back, but I like 628. It is right at the anchored VWAP too. Let's not get top ticked here. Let's not get the top at the tick. All right, we got that one. Bounced right off, missed it. Let's see if we continue moving. I do like... I would like to see what happens here at the anchored VWAP. If they make the anchored VWAP support, then the long up to 710 is really nice. You're up $65 hairs? Damn, Joey, you balling, brother. Let me borrow some money. We're stuck between two VWAPs here, the anchored VWAP and the session VWAP. We're all VWAPed out. Right now, Sam B's kids are probably going crazy in class, talking about two VWAPs. Stuck between two VWAPs, oh no. What could be better than that? All right, let's see if we can push higher. Okay, looks like it wants to go higher now. It does look like it wants to go higher. We'll see how this candle here closes out. If it'll break out above this VWAP. And it is looking pretty strong. Let's see if it can close above it. Let's see if it can close above it. Still getting that little bit of a rejection. Rejected. You can see the reaction off for your day's value area low. What level did you have that at? No trade until a breakout below 530 or break above 760 for me, says Eval. Okay. Just want to see us break above this anchored VWAP. That would be great. This is looking pretty good, but we don't know until we break above it. Ooh, that looks like a fake out. Stuck between two VWAPs. This is no man's land. Could come back to hit the value area low at 540. That's a thing. That is a possibility. Just waiting for the manipulation to be done. Smart. Very smart, Louis. You'll be waiting a long time. You'll be waiting. You'll be like that skeleton, and they always use it as a meme and in all the waiting rooms. I don't think the NQ will ever stop manipulating. 24 hours a day. Even though it's closed for an hour, it's still manipulating when it's closed. You don't believe me? Look at some of those opening gaps we get. It's crazy, especially during rollovers. No, I think it's gonna be gnarly. You're gonna try to long 478, Joey? Nice, Joey. Nice. We haven't gotten any MOAS signals here yet. I'm dying to see a MOAS signal. That would be amazing. Ooh, what a dumperoo right down to the value area low. That's what I knew that was coming. Here you go, Joey. Here's your long opportunity. Oh, it's coming, hopefully. Value area low getting tapped there. What a move. That was nasty. Did they change their mind on this bond buyback program they announced this morning? Deal off. We got the overnight low here at 428. Maybe they come down for that first. We got 540. Yeah, look at that. It happened. It happened. I didn't short it though. I wanted to, but I just chickened out. I should have shorted it. I was just a little scared. Just a little scared. Shorts to 420. Yeah, looks like that's gonna happen. Looks like that is gonna happen. Wow. 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 What a move here. This short is better than the long this morning. These shorts are great. Guys, start hitting the likes because the more likes, the better you do with trading. And also we'll do a 50K giveaway. And resistance is now up here at 609. And this thing is just going. I did not expect that move down to overnight low. I will be honest. I did expect a bounce from those areas that we talked about. That's why I did take a small long. Did not expect it. Gee willikers, Mr. Wilson. This is crazy. Delivery down, my stop was too close. I have a big win. Nice, Paul. Bless you. With that overnight low sitting there at 420, real pretty. Waiting for retracement to enter at 420. Yeah, that could have happened. Semiconductors again? Yeah, this is crazy. Joey, did you take the long? Oh yeah, that was quick. That was quick. 420s have been taken. No, what manipulation that was this morning with that huge move in the pre-market. That's crazy. Setting everybody up for a bullish bias. And that's what happens. That's what happens. Your bias sometimes gets the best of you. That's why you guys mention bias a lot. I'm like, yeah, just watch the wave on the chart. And there's your bias. It made the move without giving you the entry. The nerve of this NQ. That's crazy. The nerve of the NQ. How dare I do it without you? 480 could be some resistance. I'm gonna sell 480. Give me some follow through. That was over 100 point dump. Yeah, that's pretty wild. Don't start with the top ticking. Don't start top ticking. All right, let's see if we can get this move to actually make sense. We need to get above 480 in my opinion to continue maybe testing this value area low here at 530. Yeah, it looked like we might have trapped some traders here short. If these candles close green, we might be trapping traders short. Are they going to continue to push this thing down? So we are breaking above. Let me see where we want to go to here. Yeah, we could get rejected at 530. That is true. That is the value area low. Yikes. Yeah, that might have been a bad entry. Yeah, we could get that rejection at 530. Forgot about that. Not liking that. Yeah, that was a rejection at 530. Not liking that one bit. Are we going to continue higher? All right, we're going to try it last time. Pull back. Stop. And we'll let this run. I'm going to let this one run to about 604. $580. We'll add into this if it keeps going. But if not, then we will bow out. See if there's any momentum push, any follow through on this. We just might get rejected at that value area low for lower. That 415 long to 500, bless my socks. Nice, Sambi. What's up, Laughter? Took the short all the way down on the ES. Wow, that's great, man. Let's see if it continues to push up higher. Might be wrong on this move, but I'd like to see it go higher. So we're gonna get stopped on it though. Can he go? We just need to break above 530. That is the value area low. If we can break back through it. Good chance we can go. What's going on, Legal Draft? Hope you're doing good, man. Getting a little consolidation chop here, unfortunately. See if we can add one if we come back here. All right, we added, and let's hope that it sticks. Let's hold, let's hold, let's hold. Oh man, she's gonna stop us out already. Yeah, we are out. Out of one. Probably out of the second one here in a moment. Yeah. That was a decent ad, but it looks like now they want to dump. Continue going lower. No move up yet. All right, we are out of this long attempt. Out of it for now. Market wants to continue heading lower. Unless it's done manipulating this. Oh, now it's done. Not a good move. She gave us a nasty rejection over that value area low.
Give me a second. By the way, if you want to buy this short, I think it's looking for
I think the market might continue down. I think they might continue this move to the downside. Got resistance at 495. This could be a continuation to the downside for more. I needed to get above 495 to be bullish. Thought we were going to be doing good here, but we did have that resistance at the value area low. Too much, too much. Shorts might be coming in here still. I might short this again. Well, I might short it. We'll see. Right now I don't have the clear signal just yet. I might buy this in the moment if it does give me something I like. If it goes above. All right, guys, we need to break above this these 480s that we're at right now, 490s. Let's see if it'll do it. For a long, if not, we stay short. Right now, it's just a lot of consolidation building up here. The wave is pretty red. Buyers are starting to get real strong here. I'd like to buy it. I'm gonna try the buys again. Might add into this. Let's see, the 560s could be a good. Getting strong. Starting to get pretty strong again. Let's hope it keeps their. Hope they keep their momentum. Oh, terrible. If this ends up going lower, I'm definitely going to switch to the shorts here because that means that level at the 590s is just too, 490s is just too strong, and it looks like it probably will. Yeah, I think we have 2 on right now. Yeah, I was definitely looking pretty strong right now. Buyers were looking strong for a moment, but they were just not getting it. May have to go short. All right, we're going short. Stops are up here. Let's see if they turn their tune around now. That'd be hilarious if they did. And it looks like they probably are. This is too funny. We're short now to the 400s, 4.25 maybe. Maybe a little bit more if we get lucky. Oh, come on, NQ. Knock it off. Yeah, these candles are moving like rubber bands. I hate when they move like that. No consistency, just teasing. 390 liquidity pool waiting to be grabbed. Ooh, that sounds good to me. Hope we don't grab the 490s first. Come on, NQ. Let's go, NQ. We got the rubber bands here. Push a little more down to 4.25, NQ. 4.25, baby. Let's go. All right, we took 2 off there. Only down a little bit. See if we get the last one. Got it. Back up to green. That sucks though. We had to take a nasty loss. Thanks, Joe. Keep it green for the day. Stay cool, peeps. Yeah, laughter. Take care, bro. Be good, brother. All right, that overnight low was crushed for a second time. We've got resistance now sitting at 450. I'd say 450 is good resistance. As far as support goes, let's look at the 4 hour. Wow, we got a long way down there. The market wants to keep going. 28,645. Somebody was in the chat saying they were going to hold the 30K. Is that still the case? Are you still holding the 30K? Sadly, we didn't get that big pullback up for the ride down. I know, man. Bellwether, Nvidia at low of day. Dump, says Patty. Intel, AMD dump. Everything's dumping, huh? Everything's dumping. Try to fight the trend there, and I found out. 344 might be the next level down. Maybe we short that area around 445. Let's see where our MOAS signals are. I'm waiting for our MOAS signals to come in here on the 1 minute. We got plenty of them on a 15-second. And we just got one on the 8. All the way down to 200, 29,200. Looking to long at 430 and 445. You need a toilet paper icon? Because it's dumping? Is that why? ATR is 41. We haven't had ATRs like that in a while. I like it. I like it. Good day to trade in micros. Yeah. Watch this pop here, possibly the 445. It could pop. You want to go to 445? It's a pretty big engulfer there. This might be a good long. I'm gonna try the long. Small size. $445 is definitely a good place to short from, but right now I'm gonna see if this long has any chance. Maybe we can get a 480 move. $480. So I'll hold that a little bit more. See what they do at 480. 480 has the break too. 480 is another level of resistance here. 478. We're battling the 21 EMA right now in the 1 minute. See if we can push back up to the 480s. And we are pulling back. Pulling back now for the moment. Took that long from 420 to 470? Okay. I'm looking for a little bit more to the upside. Good job, Abel. That's a nice trade. Our buyer came back. Yeah, looks like there was a little bit of buying happening in there. We had a little green diamond as well. But selling pressure is still getting real strong. And yeah, they are just going. See if we can load up here. See if we can get a break here to the upside. That would be beautiful. $500 should get tested. Yeah, it should. We just never know with this market. I love to play games. Another fake out. Another stop out. Damn, nothing but shorts here. Not even a bounce up to 500. Yeah, more dumpiness. Okay. Yeah, can I get a break here? Cannot get a break. We have to short it. We'll see how this closes. See, we get a little move here. What do you think? There's a good chance that we come up and test for 480, 488. Let's see if that ends up playing out. Starting to see some sellers getting trapped down to the lower end. Might be no dice. We'll see. Yeah. No. Doesn't look like it's happening. At least not yet. A little mistake here of trying to catch the bottom. Just continue going lower. All right, there we go. There's a chance. A little pump. Got some buyers came in here. Need to break that. Need to break that overnight low. Let's see if it'll do it. We still got a 40 on the ATR. Strong moves, big moves. Push for us NQ, says Sam B. Yeah, I'll be liking that push too. Would love that push. Come on, NQ, you could do it, baby. It looks like it's too much to ask, though. Too much to ask. Oh, we did get a MOAS to the downside. I didn't even realize that. I just saw it right now. We'll be looking for some shorts here momentarily after we move up a little bit. Let's see if we get this continuation higher. See if she can break these 480s now. $470 is your sell limit. Nice. Ed says just chimed in. What kind of zone is highlighted? What zone do you see highlighted? I don't know what you're talking about. This right here is this white line here is a little bit of resistance we could be coming up against here in the 470s, 480s. And this area right here, this is a MOAS. We have a target to the downside here at about 184 that we could possibly hit today at some point. We're up a couple shekels right now, which is good. See if we can get our first hit there at the 480s. Yeah, we're coming across a little bit of resistance right now at the moment. Our buyer's strong enough to continue pushing through the 480s. All right, we are trying to get one off here. Come on. All right, we got one off. We got 3 left. 2, 3. See if we can push higher a little bit. I feel like I'm taking all the risk off right now, guys, just to be safe. Nice push there by the buyers. Another one off. Got 2 left. Push it in Q. We're back at that value area low. Let's see if we can break through it. Your stop loss hit 500 first. Damn, Sambi. Nice job, Joey. What am I trading? I am trading the NQ futures right now, and she's looking like she wants to go back higher. Well, guys, we got 47 people watching, 28 likes. Can we get 100 likes, guys, so we can do a giveaway today? Give 100 likes here if you can. Hit the like 101 times. And drop some comments here in the chat too. That does help the algorithm, gets more people in here. We could do our like. We did one yet. We do our giveaway. We did one yesterday, and hoping to do another one today. We did reach it. Now I do have a hard cutoff today, guys, at 12 o'clock. I do have to leave at 12, so start pumping those likes right now. I do have a hard cutoff at 12 today. Now sometimes I let you guys stick around till like 1 o'clock. Today I do have a hard cutoff at 12. Watching a 15-second right now to see if there's any signs of possible reversal here. But we're still looking all right. We're still cooking. Still cooking. We are reaching that value area low pretty soon. Buyers are still stepping in here, buying this thing up. We need the 520s soon. Can we get those 520s? We'll take one off there if we can. I'll take one off. We got one left, and we'll let that one sucker ride. Let's see if it'll perform well for us. Let's see if it'll just run to the heavens. And good thing we took one off there, because she's pulling back. Probably gonna end up losing this one. Casualty of war. Do it for smoothing again. I took mine off at 5 1/4 already, or 520. I took it off because I saw this potential reversal coming in here. But there is a MOAS that shows us that maybe 540s can be hit. So 540s would be nice. Let's see what happens up there. I'm sure it'll probably come all the way back to just stop me out and then go higher. That's a possibility. Very likely possibility. You proud of the fact that you made decent trades today instead of going full retard and blowing them up? Good job, Joey. Good job, brother. Yeah, next level to break here is the value area low sitting at 5 1/4. We need to break through that. If we can break through that, then we've got the VWAPs, both VWAPs there, the anchored VWAP and the regular old session VWAP that we'll have to contend with. Then we have a major level of liquidity sitting at 607. 607 sounds good to me. And see if they make the break. That is maturity? Yeah, it is maturity. Joe is very mature. He's a mature young man. That next big pocket of liquidity is at 600. Hoping we can get up there. 607, 608. I'm hoping we can get up there. Question is, will the market close below the daily open today or above it? That's a big question. Check out the poll, guys. I'm wondering what you guys think. Market is pumping right now. That is really nice. That is very nice. Usually on days that are hard, I'll make stupid decisions. What day is easy? Did I miss the memo? You're done and disappointed? What's wrong? What's wrong, Samby? Did you miss some trades? This is the thing about trading. Sometimes your original idea was actually correct. Here comes the 5 1/4 originally had the TP on. Oh, you would have made more, is what you mean? You would have made more? Yeah, if we get the CP at 600, that'd be a 150 point trade. That'll be some real nice trading right there. We need to break through these two VWAPs. We have two VWAPs right now that are joining forces. We have a lot up there, to be honest with you. Look at this. We have both VWAPs, the purple line and the yellow line. Both of these are VWAPs. Then we have the point of control there that's sitting at 570. I've got a major liquidity level here at 607. So I think we can blow past these levels and hit 607. Then I'd be looking for shorts possibly. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe not. Well, some days I'll catch a trade or two that respect my levels and goes right to my TPs. Those are the easy days in my opinion. At 300 was fine with me. Yeah, I guess longs from that area were not that bad. We're about to hit point of control here in a moment, guys. In the 560s, point of control is coming up very soon. The 15-second has gone completely green right now on the MOAS. Hit the likes, guys, if you're watching this and enjoying the trade setup that we're that we called out here. Shorts around 640 could be a thing. We will see what happens around 640. Maybe we'll take some shorts later. But right at point of control, I expect a pullback here and maybe a little bit of a rejection. Could be. No way my longs would have just made $1 billion. Really? Man, that's crazy. If I can get 150 or more per contract on trading NQ, I am satisfied because my edge on entries consistently hit above those levels. One of those trades on 4 contracts quickly became 1K plus. Damn, Sam B, that's awesome. Charms says up 1500. I don't know if I should call it a day. Harder. Call it a day here or keep going. Wow. Smooth start to your profile at 9:30 for the NY profile. Smooth start your profile at 9:30. Okay, we'll do that. Let's check out the profile from 9:30. I will put it on here though. Instead of trying to be cocky, I'm gonna see if we can come and take the. It comes back into here. I'll take it. And you should be pulling back soon, but let's get a quick pull back into this. I would have liked that straight shot to 607, but it may have a deep pullback first. I'm usually never the beneficiary of a straight moonshot short squeeze. Okay. All right. We're out of it. Six seven. You're funny. Can I put a volume profile on here? I don't think I can. Let's anchor Joey's profile to 9:30 this morning. I see it differently now. Thanks, Joey. I appreciate that. Okay, Joey's volume profile right now, it looks like on the open from 9:30. From the open, we are approaching the value area high at the moment at 581. Point of control, we left it behind in the 470s. And yeah. That is a thing of the past. We have support here in the 430s. And we're moving higher. Tough spot up here. Thanks, Joey. What do I know about volume profiles? I don't know anything. Okay. We do have price way above the 21. Still a little bit of a red wave here, but we are above all the VWAPs. We have the 100 period VWAP. We have this yellow anchored VWAP from the low. From a low. I'm going to anchor it from here now, just because I'm that kind of guy. All right, I got the bottom one there. I'm going to anchor a top one from our high. Okay, so we're above this one, and we're above that one. So we are going to see. If we lose this level under this anchored VWAP, we might come back to test this point of control and anchored VWAP right here. It's a good level to give our eyeballs peeled on. You don't know anything either? That makes two of us, bro. Put our heads together. We we don't know twice as much. Looks like it wants your orb. It might want my orb. My ORB. I'm doing great, man. Thanks. I appreciate it. Harmonize a cacophony. Are you the same person who used to call me Moby before? Or are you a different person that calls me Moby now? I trade volume profile like support and resistance, says Joey. Moby-Wan Kenobi? That's a good name. It took the orb 15-minute low? Yeah, it's right there. It's battling the 15-minute orb low. Guys, hit those likes so we can do this giveaway here today. I know you guys are really not into free stuff. You guys want to pay for everything, I know, but I'm trying to give you guys a free eval. Right now, things are still 50-50. 570 coming, says Sam B. 570. I mean, that's like 10 points away. And right now, the ATR is 30, so yeah. Yeah, Sam B will take a free eval. He's going to start liking the chat, too. Like the stream, I mean. Yeah, while we're sitting here waiting, guys, just want to remind you that Legends is having a crazy day deal right now for a 50K eval, only $49, and it's end of day, all in, no activation fee, and yeah, it's this 50K apprentice right here, really nice account. All you gotta do is go over to our profit matrix that's pinned in the chat. Go to Legends. You can check out all the specifics about it, all the things you need to know. And can you believe it's only $2,700 profit target and $2,200 in drawdown? It gives you a little bit of an edge there. I really like that. $49 flat, no activation fee, only till August 21st, guys. So jump on that. Yeah, jump on it, guys. You can't really find deals like that all the time. So I did pick one up yesterday. We're currently right now up about $832 on that, trading it for the last 2 days. Hopefully we can get some more good deals as well. Don't forget the other ones too. The other ones are good props as well. All right, we're getting a little bit of resistance right here at the daily open. We are breaking down below that VWAP area. This area is dangerous. We have too much shenanigans that happen here. The VWAP, no good things happen at the VWAP. Might have to take a smaller stop loss though on those evals. Yeah, you probably would. You probably would, man. Yeah, looks like we are getting a little bit of a sell-off here. Market is pushing back down. This is gonna have to be our line in the sand right over here. This 554 level. The anchored VWAP and the session VWAP both here acting as resistance as well. She might be shooting down to this 472 level that I would like to see. That would be a real nice place to try to long again. They would need $1 million to get Sam B to use a prop account. Yeah, Sam B doesn't like props too much. Chop fest here at the VWAP, guys. That's why I got out of it. I didn't want to sit around looking at this. I like to have more 1500 or a bit more for trading NQ for drawdown. I will have to trade MNQ. Yeah, you would have to. Losing an account after drawdown. Too, and then it pops up in your TP sucks. Yeah, it does. That's part of the game. Seeing your trade go in your direction after you've already been stopped out is definitely tough. Oof, look at that push. We're getting that push. Maybe continuation. Yeah, right now that was a strong push. Look at that push, guys. That was crazy. Wow, what a push, man. What a push. She ripping right now. Yeah, 607 is a lock. 608. Anything after that, I don't know. Could have had that extra 50 points there, but I just decided to take my profits earlier. It's actually an extra 30 points. That was the level I was looking for and hoping for. Yeah, 607 is this white line here, has a lot of resistance. We'll see if it ends up getting tapped right now. What's up, Night Trader? How you doing, Rye? I stayed up to 2 a.m. Central trading all the way to London. You did, Jerome? Damn, you must be tired, man. Last night had a good price action. It did, didn't it? It did have some good price action. I wasn't on the chart yesterday, guys. I was just busy here at home with the family. You got to mow us on that 1 second bull, says Sambi. Wow, that's great. What's going on, Watch Me Fails? How about Moderna this morning? Yeah, I heard Paul was telling us Moderna went crazy. Everything I own got to be paid off. I bought a mansion in Spain next to Bill Gates' house. I love money in large amounts. I wrote a check to the bank and bounced. What's up? What is that? Zebach? Zebach the midget? That's hilarious. Haven't seen a stronger push since my wife delivered the child. Damn, harmonized Coke and Kako. That's crazy. 620, come on, says Sandy. This thing is a rippy. Yeah, we are above resistance right now. Look like this would be a good level for a long. This is the anchored VWAP right there. Would be a great level for a long on a pullback. I'd like to see that. We did hit our 607 level there pretty nicely. A short from that level down to 547 would be nice. I don't know if we'll get it though. I scalped the momentum up on that 1 second trail stop to use margin on the play. Wow, damn, Sambi, you killed it, huh? Ephraim says, in was with you. I had a good late night trading last night, Night Trader. I have no idea what Ephraim just said, but I think Ephraim had a good trade last night or today. Good job, Ephraim. All right, that level has been taken. 607 has been taken. Here's our invalidation zone here. So if we come up above it, you talking to me? Hold on, guys. Sambi, congratulations, man. You did well. Sambi's killing it, man. All right, we did get a MOAS here. The target on that MOAS was MOAS Plus, actually. It's all the way up here at 739. And there's another MOAS right now up here up to 707. So I like to start building a position to head up to those numbers. We do have resistance at 710. We have this level here that we got to look out for. That is some nice liquidity stacked up there at 710s. We are way above the value area high now, and also the point of control has been left behind. So we will see. This is an invalidation zone on the MOAS that was issued here earlier. Doesn't mean that it's not going to play out still. It just means that if we do come up here, sweep this liquidity, and we find ourselves back under it, then a perfect target would be the opposite end of that MOAS, which is all the way down here at 29,180. So if we do end up finding ourselves coming back in this direction, I would take a nice trade all the way down to 180. May not happen during this session, but it could happen into the next session. Guys, hit those likes. We're trying to do a giveaway before 12. We got 1 hour. We're running real low on viewers and likes here. I don't know what is going on with this algorithm. Maybe just we're falling out of its good graces. I have no idea. We took too many vacations. Would love to see some kind of a move back in 547 long, maybe from there. Would be nice. What are you guys looking for right now? I'd like to see a pullback into this zone here for a blast off. This short here is very tempting down to this level, to the 550s. Unfortunately, price does not move in a straight line, so even though it's likely to come back here and try to grab some liquidity from the VWAP, anchored VWAP, and this general vicinity right here, good chance. We have a lot of stuff here. We have the daily open. Got a lot of stuff there. Price could converge back down, 550s. Maybe we get a bounce here off the. Maybe we get a bounce off the anchored. I'm sorry. Maybe we get a bounce off the value area high. Would love a short down to 550-ish. Let's see if we can find something like that. Don't know if the market's going to give us an opportunity to get that. Do have a limit order sitting there at 618. Maybe we catch a lucky wick up and then wick back down, or maybe a move back down. May not happen. All right, guys, let's see if we can get ultimately maybe a long from the 550s, or this could be it. This could be the reversal. Who knows? How many of you guys think this is the reversal? So Sam B says, when he sees a MOAS plus on the 1 second, I put a limit a few ticks underneath, above it, depending if it is bearish or bullish, for entry, then quickly trail stop because it jumps a couple of hundred seconds. A couple of hundred per second, wow. Yeah, you think this is the reversal, Charms? Okay. Patty says, not yet. Not yet. Patty thinks we get more upside. Could be. We could head right back up to 710. Thank you. We got 618 as a possible short entry. I would like to ride that down to this area, 550s, if we do get the entry. A reversal needs a rehearsal. Joey says, thank you for teaching me so much during my journey. I bet you say that to everybody, Joey. No, I'm just kidding. You're welcome, Joey. I appreciate you being with us, man. I've learned a lot from you guys as well. Especially you, Joey, with the volume profiles. Smash those likes, guys. We will do a giveaway at 100. We got ourselves a little bounce happening right now. I'm actually wait to see how this reacts. We do have a little resistance up here, and I want to see how she reacts after hitting it, because she could react in a real bearish way. Kind of like she's doing now. React in a real bearish way, then we'll take it. But if she comes to this level and keeps going, she might just go. Just like most bottoms don't have V bottoms, there are actually multiple tops before big drops. Yeah. Usually the harder the short is to get in, the bigger the short usually is, because they're accumulating a lot. I smashed it as hard as I could. Thanks, I appreciate that. Watch me fails. We should take our New York highs. Yeah, maybe we will. Maybe we will. Yeah, E-Wars. I remember I just started trading futures when I came here, and look at all of the knowledge I have now. Really, Joey? Damn, man. I didn't know we took your never mind. I'm not gonna use that one. That's a bad we took your nothing. Yeah, well, I'm glad we were your first, Joey. There's nothing worse than sloppy second traders. I need to stop. You want them fresh. You want them fresh traders. The ones that don't know nothing. Patty's laughing too. Oh, that's hilarious. I thought only guys would laugh at that and girls would be like, he's such a pig, such a male chauvinist, such a this and that. I grew up on the streets, guys. I was raised by wolves. This language is not for you, says Pecos. Thanks, Pecos. I appreciate it. Sam B's got a joke for you too, bro. Sam B's got a joke for you too, Joey. Well, I know who I'm married to, so not much offends me. Yeah, I know. I learned it from him. That's where I learned my humor from. Is from him, from your husband. Your husband taught me my humor, and I'm here sharing it with the world. Yeah, it looks like our point of control has shifted up to where we currently are right now, at the 600 area. Having a lot of fun trading here, guys. Having a lot of fun. Hopefully he's contagious. Tori's uncle took Tori's? Is that what she told you, Joey? Just friendly jokes? There's a time and a place for it? Yeah, there is. There is. I didn't know Tori's uncle got down like that, man. Most people say we're going to end the day green today. I don't know, though. It's a coin flip. We'll have a couple coins to flip here. I would like to see a move back down to the VWAP to grab that liquidity we left behind. I'm not sure if we will, though. Market's bullish right now. Pretty bullish. I gotta help you gamble. You got $11 in stake. Ephesians 5:4 says Pecos. Ephesians 5 is a lot about husbands and wives. I know that. I know that's for sure. Ephesians 5:4. Are we getting another MOAS signal here? Very strong, very strong. Yeah. This is exactly the verse I was thinking about, and you're right about that. Let there be no filthiness, nor foolish talk, nor crude joking, which are out of place, but instead let there be thanksgiving. Yeah, for sure. I appreciate you, Pecos, always keeping us in line. It's not the first time Pecos checks me, because I do have a little street in me that's hard to get rid of. A little street in me. I learned it from Patty's husband. And now Joey. Are we getting some bullishness here, guys? Very bullish. Market wants to head back up. It looks like we have a MOAS signal right now pointing to the 29,672 level. And I might start building along. Put in a limit order here at the 600. Actually, I'm gonna wait on that. Verdict is still out. We could either reject from this level that we're at right now, 620. We could either reject from there, which then I will want to take a short, or we could do the old pumperoo above it, which would get me bullish. You were the worst in the past? This move, you got to help me gamble. $11. What do we want to gamble on? $11 coin flip. You call this move, heads or tails? Why don't we just have Grok call it? Let's have Grok call it. See if Grok can make you some money. Choose heads or tails.
Heads.
You heard it, Joey. We lose, if we can't get above this level, I still see us coming down to the 550s. Pretty nice rejection there. I'm gonna try to short. Tight stop. If I'm wrong, but I think, there could be some good possibility we get down here to these 547s, 550s. Could be wrong here. Might take the L. Might take the L boogie. It was heads. Nice. Look at that, man. Nostalgia Cinema. What's going on, man? How are you? What do you got now, Joey? 22 doll hairs, or do you have less? All right. I guess that was a fake out because we're moving right back up. It looked pretty good. I guess not, though. I really would like to see this move back down to VWAP. May not get it. Been a tough month, but it's okay. Damn, Nostalgia Cinema. I know, man. That happens to all of us. I wanted that long from 600, and I talked myself out of it. Now I think I'm going to end up going into that long if this breaks higher. I would have had a better entry, but what are you going to do? This does look like it wants to go higher, by the way. Yeah, that was a quick fake out there. All right, we're gonna go long here. Let's see. 671, 700, 670. You're gonna pull all the way back now? Yeah, this is gonna be the shadiness here. It's not even 12 o'clock yet, NQ. Come on, NQ. Not even 12 o'clock yet. Got a 21 ATR. Mm, 640 is that point value area high. And can you be playing with your emotions, bro? I'm sorry to hear that, brother. 630 for smooth, says Sam B. Yeah, that would be nice. How much do you like the daily? Where did I go? Ultra account on Funded Seat. I haven't tried them out yet, but I do have them up on my Profit Matrix. If you guys want to check them out, the Profit Matrix does have Funded Seat, and that is the what size account is that? Daily Ultra, huh? I don't know about the Ultra. Well, I just know the daily is $57 right now, 70% off. 190 with daily pay 190. What is this? Eval price? 190. Is it $57? Okay. Yeah, no, it's actually $57. Okay, that's pretty good. Yeah, good account. Now we're just chopping here. It is new. You should add it to the matrix. It must have just came out. I haven't seen it. Take care, Patty. Good to see you. Have a great day. Give us 660 thank you, says Sam B. Yeah, I'll check it out. I'll definitely check it out. I did not know Funded Seat had a new account. I did not get the email. Or maybe I haven't seen the email yet. Looking for a push higher. Not looking for a dumper. Looking for a pumper. So she just wants to chop-a-roni here, though. She wants to chop-a-roni. She wants to chop-a-roni and cheese. That move down to 550 may still be a thing. Who knows? Maybe they don't come. Maybe they don't go straight up right now. Very choppy moves right now. I like it when she chops less. Don't you guys agree? You gonna try one out, Nostalgia? Cool, man. Code Smooth Trader gets you 70% off right now. Daily payout, no buffer required, 80-20 split. Okay. We're gonna have to give it a shot too. It's only $57 here, so we're gonna check it out. All right, we are getting a little pumpy, but then again, also very difficult to break this level right here at the 630s. Hoping we can though, because we would like start taking some TP levels here. This is a different account that I'm trading on right now. This is a MFF account, but no shout out to them. I was trying to squeeze them for some payouts. Here you go, babe. I really do hope we can continue moving here. I'm adding to this position if we can break above 632. She's having a real hard time. Having a real hard time there. Yeah, sellers are saying you shall not pass. You caught the low of day, Suifu? That's awesome, man. And it ran up 200 points. Good for you. The Ultra is more expensive? Oh, okay. Smooth Cherry TV, your thumbnail says Friday. Oh, does it? Yikes. I gotta look into that. I used the wrong thumbnail. I used the wrong thumbnail. Or I'm from the future. Yeah, we're about to get stopped here. If I was from the future, I wouldn't be getting stopped. So I guess that move down to 550 is still a thing. Yeah, we're about to get stopped. Look at that. No bueno. No bueno. Yeah, this chop is no good for anyone. Alright, we're gonna take that off real quick. It does say Friday. Look at that. Alright, Joey, I changed it just for you, bud. I changed it, man. Yeah, I don't know what they're going to do here. If you're interested in a play, look at the play long off of 574. Yeah. I would be interested in long in the 550s is really where I wanted to long. But man, she's just, she's dirty. I like the shorts at first. Shorts got stopped out. I think the shorts got stopped out on me. Shorts might play out. Who knows? See what happens here. Let's see what happens. We may get a Moaz. If we end up getting a green candle here, that signals that we have some trapped shorts here. But if we get a continuation candle here, this looks like it can be a power short. It's getting choppy, man. It's so choppy. Looks like we are getting continuation. Sellers are absorbing this level here pretty well. Who ends up winning the volume war here? This candle can close without being an absorption candle. It'll kind of guide the way. Even though we're right at point of control, this area here is becoming very, very sticky. If it comes up again and bounces off this level, it's definitely going to be a short. Okay, it's pushing right now. If we get 100 likes, I'll twerk on stream. No way, man. Are you serious? Order flow and gamma's your strat? Nice, man. High RR. Good for you. My strategy is enter into chop. And then complain afterwards. It's working out pretty good for me. Anyone trade individual stock futures yet? I don't even know where to even find them. All right, we're coming up on this level again. Let's see if they get rejected. If they do, I'm going short. If they do reject this level. It's looking pretty rejecty right now. I'm going to start the position. It looks pretty good. And my stop's going to be, I'm not giving it too much room because it doesn't need. It's either right or it's wrong. It's either right or it's wrong. 550s are where I want to see this thing head down to. And I will add aggressively to it if it starts to show some weakness. Love to see that move down to 550s. That would be something. That would be a nice liquidity snatch. Yeah, I know this is dangerous here trading this chop, but I have a feeling they want to roll over here and shoot back down to the 550s. We'll see. Now we're adding another there. Okay, we got the dumperoo and Q. Come on, dump it, baby. No pumpy, only dumpy. Almost added another there. Come on, Q, give us his breakdown, baby. No? Yikes. All right, see if we can get a couple of, see if we got a little push down here to the 550s. Would love to see it. So far, it's doing what I wanted it to do. You want to chop all the way to Chinatown? I'd rather not. I'd rather start getting a good clean rollover here. Would be beautiful. Got a MOAS right now down to 560. MOAS plus right there. Just got it down to 557. You go now. No more chop. You go now. The V market of Biden was redefeated. What does that mean? Let's go ahead and dump here, 578. Come on, NQ. Come on, we need a little bit of a dump. I saw some dumpy signals. Sellers might be taking the gloves off here. Yikowitz. And we got one. Damn, man. Is it really gonna be like that? Is it really gonna be like that? Look at that candle. Crazy looking candle. Come on, NQ. Don't be so dirty. Thank you. Don't be so dirty. That was a pretty big engulfer there. What direction will she pick next, though? That's the question. Could break even at 15 points. The MOAS was 560 was perfect. That MOAS, yeah. Yeah. We'll see. Yeah, we'll give one of them. We'll give 560 for the MOAS, and then we'll leave the other one at 551, which I think is a real viable target. And then we'll leave one for the road. Maybe. Get pushy in Q. How much MOAS does Smooth need? I don't know. We need that 560 MOAS target right there though. That one's good. Took that one off. Get that next one, baby. Spank it in Q, spank it. Good spanky. Nice. I'll see if we can just get the dumperoo going, baby. Just go dumpy. I like the next target I like here to the downside would be we just hit it, but if we really start selling off, this could get ugly. I think maybe we get that anchored VWAP from there at 528. See how she behaves here at the VWAP. At the wop wop. She can get real shake and bakey here. Surely not everybody was kung fu fighting. Yeah, I want to do bigger trades. That was a medium-sized trade. It wasn't a big, but it was pretty decent. Thank you, Joey. Yeah, the scalping does not really work for me well, man. The scalping 10 to 15, 20 points with big size gives me too much anxiety. Where VWAP at? I can't see on my phone. The VWAP, we have multiple VWAPs right there, all lining up. The purple VWAP is our session VWAP at 555. Yellow VWAP is the anchored VWAP from the top, and then this yellow VWAP is the anchored VWAP from the bottom. So we all whopped out right now. So we might be getting a push back higher. Yeah, so we're taking it because she wants to come back up. Now, if we continue to sell off, this area right there could be good resistance right where we are right there. We'll see how she reacts here against the 585 level. We missed this level here just by a little bit, 547. She could still come back for 547. We got pretty close. We got down to 550. So we took most of it off. That's a lot of Kung Fu folks. It is, man. It surely is a lot of folks. All right, we need to break through this. If we can get above this, then we're looking at longs again. I do have to go in 15 minutes, guys. So hit those likes. Maybe we'll get the giveaway going before then. Hit them, guys. Hit them. Hit them hard. Hit them hard. You've only got 44 likes and 44 people. Make a wish, guys. Make a wish. All right, good reversal here from this area. I wanted to get long from this area. This area looks really good for longs. Very good for long. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. That MOAS target to 560 was golden. Yeah, this resistance area right there. This right here. See what happens. We might end up getting a rejection, so we can continue lower. If we build on top of this, though, it would probably be a higher move. Rejecting from the value area high here. Broke true. I'm looking at this level here for support, 565. You saw we got a pink candle right here. This means the sellers were absorbing this move. Limit order sellers were absorbing the limit order sellers were absorbing the market order buyers on this candle right here. And on the next candle, we got a big push to the upside from the buyers, which means that it's more likely we got trap traders down here. And then we got a green diamond. This is a nice reversal pattern. I just want a little pullback. Might not be able to get the pullback though. I'm gonna go in with one and then add in. $671 is a good target. I'm gonna try to add into this. If they don't make this run right now, they might come make another move to the downside and then higher. But it looks really good. It looks like they trap traders short here. It looks like they trap traders short for sure. But they're capable of anything. I'm really good at picking tops, so keep that in mind. Top tick, bottom tick, that is me. You should have been here for the open today. I got top tick 3 times, 4 times in a row. Top tick and bottom tick. The market does not discriminate against me. I believe you in you, Smooth. Let's go. What's up, with us? Let's go, NQ. Minimum of 640, please. Why don't Kung Fu traders ever get lost? They always know the way of the warrior. Thank you. Thanks, Paul. I appreciate you always giving us that, man. Appreciate you. Chief, they can continue to push. Maybe they do a little bit of squeeze. Could be nice and squeezy. Got a little rejection at the point of control. Wow. Get rejected off the point of control. That's no bueno. What do we do here? Are they going to come here and snatch up the stops from 550 and then go higher? Because we did not hit 547. Technically, we did not hit 547, and that's got some liquidity to it as well. I originally wanted to get into a long here at the daily open. Would you recommend doing the same trades as you? Absolutely not. I'm the worst trader ever. You can fade me if you like. Green diamonds don't lie, says Charlie. I'm short 7746 on the ES's Villa. Watch me fail. Says sometimes I get fooled on a potential MACD crossover breakout, and it's obvious short, but I'll go long. Yesterday I got in a stock at 1506, and 2 seconds later it was 13. Solid green day anyway. Okay, very nice. Yeah, I'm kind of favored in the longs here still because we still do have a bullish bias on the 15-second, 1 minute, and the 8 minute. So I'm still believing that we can get higher. But man, does she play around a lot. She's dirty. Dirty in Q. Q's building some, it's a little bit of resistance right there. Oh, she's coming back for me for sure, that is. This looks pretty nasty though. This move down looks pretty nasty. Definitely looks like a trap long type of setup right here. Definitely looks like a trap long setup. See how big this candle is? Engulfer. And then we have a solid red candle to the downside. That looks pretty bearish if you ask me. I might take the shorts on this. Let's see what happens here in this next candle. Sellers are absorbing here. Let's see if they get trapped again with a green candle. Sellers are definitely trying to trap traders along. I see it. How many contracts do I have on right now? Just one. I want to add in, but I'm just not sure yet of this move higher. It looked pretty good, and it looked good for a possible bounce from the 560s, 570s if they had a pullback. Right now, it is having that pullback. So if it does have a positive bounce on it, then I will add in to the trade back to the upside. This level right here, 565 daily open, to me looks like a good level for this to maybe bounce. If not, then I get stopped. I'll get stopped with one instead of getting stopped with multiple. But if it does go in my direction, I'll start to add aggressively. And Bitcoin is moving higher. Wow, look at Bitcoin right now. It's ripping. What just happened? Did some Bitcoin news get announced? Holy smokes, what happened there? Wow. MicroStrategy is probably ripping right now. Dude, that was a 5,000 point candle on the 4 hour. That was a 5,000 point ripper. Oh, I never get those trades. Okay. Yeah, we could see a bounce here at the daily open. Thinking we could. Yeah, that was a crazy bounce on Bitcoin. Anybody here trading Bitcoin? Wow, that was insane. Let's see if they're done with the manipulation. I doubt it. There's always room for more when it comes to manipulation. NQ can never get its fill. Occasionally, the Bitcoin ETFs, which hasn't been in quite a while. Okay. Yeah, we need to break 600. If we can break 605 or 600, I'll start adding in more to this trade. But right now, it's just an idea. The 10-year has a huge red candle on the daily. NQ likes this. Close higher. Yeah, that's why I'm bullish. I'm still bullish here. Hoping that we'll get squeezy from here. That would be nice. That would be a great thing if we can get squeezy from here. Do it for the OGs, NQ. Do it for OG Bobby Pecos. 12 gauge pump. What a name. That is a cool name. I was watching a YouTube video this morning of funny handles that Peloton instructors end up calling out during their Peloton training sessions. Like, you know, they're like riding a bicycle or they're jogging on the treadmill. And then they start calling out people's handles. Like, you guys have names like, you know, Mo Lester and things like that. But there were some really funny ones, man. You guys got to watch it on YouTube. There's some really funny names that these instructors get caught saying by accident. You know, things like Mo Lester or Buster Cherry. You know, things, real funny things. And I was cracking up this morning when I saw them. Yeah, there was one that had me thinking for a minute. I was like, what does that mean? Eileen Ulick? I'm like, Eileen Ulick. What does that mean? I was like, oh, okay, I get that. I get that one. Yeah, that's hilarious. There were some funny ones. All right, let's see if we can get some push here to the upside. There were some real funny names. Rip it, baby, rip it. Yeah, we got to get above 600 if we can. Then I'll start adding aggressively, like there's no tomorrow. But I'm really thinking that we may come back down still. That 547 level never got touched. It got missed by just a little bit. So maybe we'll go to 600, 605 here, reject, and then back down. I don't know. What's up, Joshua? Momentum improving on ES over 7741.5. Okay. I just got to see it break above 600. If I see it break above the 600 level with some aggression, then we in there. Let's swimwear, bro. We in there. All right, we're green, man. Look at that, bro. That's green. Green is good. Green is good. Let's get this sucker ripping. Come on, baby. We're still in a bearish MOAS from this morning, though. So if that does break, it does not invalidate it immediately. We just have to see what happens afterwards. Come on, baby. Don't give me that Eileen. Oh, man. Oh, no. It might actually dump. Yeah, it looks like it's doing it. I might switch to shorts here. Looks like they might go down to 547 still. They may not want it. I gotta see how this next candle closes. If it closes bullish, then yes. If it closes bearish, then no. I gotta go here in a little bit, guys. I gotta go here in just a little bit. Double tap. Thanks for the follow over on Twitch. Might be done for the day here. Going to walk the dogs. Account up 8.4% ish in 2 days in a row. Good, good, good. That's awesome, man. Irish Spring, green, green, green. Good for you, Joey. Take care, Greg. All right, looks like we are bumping a little bit. Doing a little bumpage. Can we keep going? We had another, it looks like another short trap. Sorry, sellers trapped, I'm sorry here. Trap sellers. We had absorption happening in this area, and then we had move against them. So 2 in a row there. All right, so we'll be adding to this trade. We are in 2 now. We are in 2. We'll be adding a little more. A little more. Let's see if we can start taking some off. Maybe some off right here at 641. Good ripperoo. 671, and then we have another one here at 701. We are getting a nice push. Real nice push there. Go, thank you. Go, baby. Go. Push that sucker. Push that sucker. Come on. Don't you be playing with us. Up and away, says Nostradamus. Nostradamus. Easy moolah. I'll see you guys tomorrow, says Joey. Take care, Joey. Love seeing you here all the time, brother. All right, come on, baby. Just give us a little bit more. Just give us a taste. Just a taste, thank you. Come on, 641. We'll play Joey's song before Joey leaves. We'll play Joey's song before Joey has to go. Just for the NQ. No, that's the wrong song, Joey. Come on, NQ. It's Joey's song for you. I have a podcast today about stewarding your body well to stay healthy. I hope it goes smoothly. Yes, brother. That is great. I love that. More odds. Oh, we TP'd on Webull. That's awesome. Maybe we could Webull. Maybe we could TP on Interactive Brokers in Hoodlum, aka Robin Hood. Maybe sometime this week. That's boosh, baby. Come on. Pump it up, NQ. 47 viewers, 47 likes. How you guys like that? That's amazing. Moya signals. I might eat the TP. Yeah, man. Let's go, NQ. Right near the beach, baby. Right near the beach. Everything ID, NQ. Let's go. Let's get this party started, NQ. Let's get rippy. Yeah, with that huge rip on Bitcoin right now, Robinhood's moving too. Robinhood's moving with that Bitcoin pump. That will be nice. That will be nice. With that TPI or go. $10 points on ES and just in time to make my appointment. There you go, Paul. That was an OG, triple OG trade smooth. Thanks, man. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. Never lie to me. Let's go. One love, thank you. Yes, thank you. Best in the game, baby. So yesterday we got a shout out on Matt's channel on Trading with Matt or something like that. Trading with Matt. But the funny thing is that he called us. He's like Smoth Trader. when I heard Smoth Trader, I was like, oh man, I'll take it. I'll take the Smoth Trader. I guess someone had spelled in the chat Smoth Trader instead of Smooth Trader. I was cracking up. It is Smoth Trader. Man, come on, bro. You can't make this stuff up. It's like the first day of school when teacher gets your name wrong in front of class and everybody's laughing at you. Smoth Trader. Smothman Prophecies. Come on, NQ. Keep going. Give us that Smoth TP. Give us that schmophilophagus. Yeah, we need a little bit of schmophilophagus here to the upside here to 670. Come on, baby. I know I said a hard cutoff at 12, guys. I do have a meeting at 12:30, so just letting it ride a little bit here with you guys. Just hanging out, trying to keep you guys company while we listen to this nice jazz music. You have now entered the Smoth zone. Come on, baby. Let's go. Buy it up, buy it up. So we had a really quick move down earlier when this happened. We did have a very quick move to the downside. It could signal a quick move to the upside as well. So I'm kind of hoping for. That's why I think the short squeeze here could happen. You guys didn't see any of that. Boosh, thank you. Push a young lady. No, I don't know. Will the real Smoth Trader please stand up? Oh man, that was so funny. They called me Smoth. I'm sure Ryan heard that one. He's cracking up. Jerome Kim was there too. Jerome Kim was there. A couple of people shouted us out. One guy said he didn't like me. I think it's a guy that I blocked on our channel because he was being a douche. The one thing we don't stand for here is douchiness. Gotta trade it in the Smoth IRA. Oh, Smoth. So funny. I'm about to change the name. I'm about to lock in that name Smoth. That way nobody else can take it. Lock it in now before people start to patent it. Smoth Trader. I think he was talking about Ryan because he looked at the night stream where he was using he was using his what's that called? Using his indicator. He was talking about Ryan. He said I look like a douche. He said Ryan looks cool. Oh, we crossed 15K subs yesterday. Wow, dude, that's awesome, man. Thanks to you, Ryan. You've been killing it, man. How old am I? I am 45. I am the same number as Jordan with the number of Jordan wore when he came back to play basketball. It's a good sign. Me and my wife are the smoothiest, young ass. I don't know if I call myself exactly young, but try to keep myself feeling young. I drink a lot of smoothies. Try to keep my youthful appearance. You guys ever have a banana and raspberry smoothie? You're 44? 12 gauge? Okay. 4-4, huh? Biggie speaks of this 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me anymore. Means we need to celebrate and a party. Yeah, we're going to throw a party this Friday, man. We're going to do a 15K sub party. We're going to order 15,000 subs from Subway. And send them to Joey's house. I'm turning 45 at the end of September, Jerome. Oh, that's awesome, Jerome. Imagine Joey opens the door and there's 15,000 sub sandwiches for him and his cat. And the guy shows up with the bill. Like, okay, that'll be $5 times 15,000. What's that? $75,000. We're still kind of young, but smart as hell. Yeah. Yeah, this is I'm peaking right now, guys. This is my peak year. It's all downhill from here. This is as smart as I get and as good looking as I get. This is when they intersect. After this, it's all downhill. I'm gonna start forgetting your names by next year. 12K pump says yup. Alright, come on, let's get this push up here, guys. We need a push. Watch Me Feels is 42, trying to lock up a new job today. Pray for me, y'all. We will. We're just about to get started with our prayer right now because I do have that meeting coming up soon. Make sure the guy didn't cancel on me. Did you cancel? No, he's still there. Let me see if I got that meeting right. He's still there. Yeah, hopefully we're not doing the wrong thing here by holding this trade. We're pretty good. Yeah, we got a little. I was hoping we get a little bit of a continuation, but I'm not seeing it. We're getting pushed at 650. Could end up rolling back over and then pushing higher later. Don't say that, bro. Words have power. Don't want to have dementia and calling a wrong trade. Imagine that, DS. That would be something. I think dementia is linked to a lot of sugar intake. I barely have any sugar, so I think I'll be good. God willing. Any of you guys taking peptides? I've been keep hearing about peptides. I'm not going to take any peptides, but I keep hearing about all different kinds of peptides. You know, a lot of people are like swearing by them. I'm like, oh, that's kind of shaky, right? That's kind of shady right there. I don't think I would take any peptide. I don't want to mess with anything biological in my body. You fix one thing, you break another. Just don't want to break the wrong thing. I don't know about that trust me bro science that a lot of people here on YouTube talk about. target at 700. You should dress up for the up as Zod from Superman. Everybody keeps saying that. Superman 2 for Halloween. You remind me of a lot of Terrence Stamp, the actor who played Zod. Yeah, a lot of people have been saying that. Look like the guy from Superman 2, Zod. You guys want to get a good laugh? Sorry. Yeah, people say I look like this dude. I kind of do. That's hilarious. I really do. That is too funny. I really do look like this guy. Except for he has a lot more hair than me. Superman movie, Superman 2. He was in both, huh? He was in both movies. I got that Zod look about me. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. That's too funny. Man, you guys should be comedians. You guys gotta quit trading. Turn on the comedic charm here, guys. You guys are too funny. Push it, NQ. Might add another because this looks pretty good. Added another. Let's see if we can get another 670s in there. Come on, NQ. You can do it, baby. You can do it. $10 years still holding low is good for the NQ. Kneel before Zod. Do you think with AI there will be enough advancements in medicine that our kids will live forever? I think it'll help. I think the truth will get out there much more. I think we'll get a lot more truth. I think we'll be able to program our own AIs in the future. Like we build a website, we'll be able to program our own AIs from scratch. All right, good pumperoo. Nice pumperoo right there. See if we can take two off at 670s, 667. Try and take two off right here. Come on, baby, go and push already. Don't disappoint me, NQ. I could be his double in the next movie. I think he's probably like 100 by now. Look into the peptide epithalon concerning living forever. Yeah, I don't know about all that. That can't end badly, huh? I think that one dude, I forget his name, he's like obsessed with living forever. He spent like $1 million on trying to like biohack himself to live longer and look younger than his son. I think he just ended up getting like a terminal disease recently. Like, how ironic is that? Like, all the money you spend trying to be like super healthy and biohack your way to living longer, and then you end up getting a disease out of nowhere. But somebody said that he's probably doing that to like claim he has something, and then he cured himself so he could sell. He could be even more of a, what's that called? Those people that sell you anything. What's that called? You could be more of a shill for the stuff he sells. I don't know. Maybe. Who knows? Only God knows. Push already, ain't you? How you gonna do me top tick me like that again, man? You've been top ticking me all morning. Now you gonna do it again? You gonna do it again? Seriously? You seriously gonna do it again? All morning you top tick me, bottom tick me, top tick me, bottom tick me, top tick me, top tick, 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 tick. And now you do it again. Now, we're watching you, Inky. We're watching you. I don't want to have that dog come out here and laugh at me again. Start doing the right thing for once. Come on. Start doing the right thing. Start doing the right thing, Inky. Don't do me so filthy here. Come on, Inky. Knock it off. You're such a hack. Inky, are you serious right now? You're such a bastard, Inky. Are you kidding me right now? Look at this, guys. Look at how close that damn candle got. I think it even crossed over. I really do think that crossed over. Well, actually it didn't. It missed me by like a half a tick. Does that even count? Yeah, it was a quarter. It missed me by a quarter. And now I'm going to get stopped out. What a stupid candle that was right there. That was retarded. Oh my God. That was so bad. That was so bad. Guys, I gotta go. Yeah, I gotta go. Damn, that was bad. That was a real bad signal right there. That sucks, man. All right, guys, I gotta go. Let's say a quick prayer for you guys, and then I gotta go. Father God, we thank you for this day, Lord. Father, thank you for all the blessings in our life, Lord, our families, our shelter, the food we have on our plate. Father, we thank you for everything you have given us. Lord, I ask for forgiveness, Lord, for all the sins I've committed, the things I've done wrong, Lord, and the things that I continue to do, Father, day after day. Lord, I need your help. We all do, Father. We cannot do it without you. I pray for this community, and I pray for anyone here who needs financial help, anyone here who's seeking a new job, new career. I pray here for anybody who has a difficult time with their families, Father, any relationships that need mending, any children that need help, Father. I pray for them. Lord, I also pray to anyone here that needs a blessing, Father, in health, maybe suffering with some kind of disease, whether it's physical or mental, Lord. I pray that be wiped away. Any addiction, Lord, that we have, Lord, also be wiped away. The only addiction we should have, Father, is an addiction to have a relationship with you. Father, I also pray that we keep us safe until we meet again tomorrow. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. I do have to go, but don't forget to hit the prop firm matrix up, guys. If you guys are looking for a prop firm to trade with, Legends right now has a $49 eval, only good till August 21st. So make sure you go and pick one of those up. Also got some really good deals on the other prop firms. They all have, a lot of them do have daily payouts available. So check them out and see which one is the best. You can see across the board which one has the best deal. It'll highlight it in green. All the coupon codes and links are right here as well. If you guys want to check out the prop firm matrix, make sure to, the indicator, make sure to get the free indicator first. Scroll down to where it says volume toolkit. All of this is pinned in the chat, by the way. You get the volume toolkit, it'll bring you over to TradingView, and then you'll be able to download this for free. If you want to check out the premium indicator, which is what I use to trade, right here you can get it for 7 days to $7. That is the order flow simplified, and we also have the ultimate momentum signals. You can get both for just $7, 7 days. Okay, guys. Don't forget to tune in tonight for Ryan's stream, guys. And yeah, take care, guys. Lock it up if you're green, and if you're red, don't worry. Tomorrow's another day. All right, guys. Check you guys out. Take care. Bye.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move, or worse, you're walking into a reversal. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. So with this smooth trader indicator, not only do you get unbelievable take profit and stop loss levels, but you also get the triple Lindy, letting you know on 3 different timeframes who's actually in control of the markets. And then lastly, you also get the histogram here, which measures the delta, letting you know if buyers or sellers are the ones being tracked. So stop reacting to the markets and start anticipating it. Click the link below, get instant access, and see exactly how this works on your charts today. The traders using it aren't waiting, and neither should you.